Welcome back to the political classroom. In this video, we will explore the English Civil War and the restoration of the monarchy. We'll examine the key factors that led to the restoration of the monarchy after the tumultuous conflict. The Oliver Cromwell-led parliamentarians and the Charles I supporting royalists engaged in a long and bloody struggle known as the English Civil War between 1642 until 1651. King Charles I was ultimately defeated in the conflict. He was then tried for high treason and found guilty by the Rump Parliament. King Charles I was put to death on January 30, 1649, and England was transformed into the Commonwealth, a republic. Oliver Cromwell served as England's leader during the rigorous Puritan dictatorship that ensued. As Lord Protector, Cromwell virtually ruled as a military dictator. However, Cromwell's administration was beset by internal problems, and numerous factions, such as the Levellers and Diggers, who demanded more extreme social and political reforms, were becoming more and more dissatisfied. During the Anglo-Dutch Wars and its confrontations with Spain and France in particular, England was threatened by other European nations. The Commonwealth also had economic hardships, such as money problems and trade disruptions. After Oliver Cromwell's death in 1658, his son Richard took over as Lord Protector. Richard was a weak leader, and neither the troops nor Parliament backed him. There was a great deal of division in the political scene, with several factions competing for control and influence. There was an increasing desire for stability and order amid the political void and unpredictability. Charles II, the son of King Charles I who had been executed, was asked by the English Parliament to return from exile and ascend to the throne in 1660. With the end of the Commonwealth and the beginning of the Restoration era, this event signalled the restoration of the monarchy in England. England saw a period of comparatively calm and artistic renaissance under Charles II, with the Restoration theatre and literature blossoming. But under James II, tensions between the Crown and Parliament re-emerged, sparking the Glorious Revolution of 1688. A constitutional monarchy was established with the invitation of William III and Mary II to rule together, significantly limiting the authority of the Crown. The Glorious Revolution contributed to the long-lasting foundation of a constitutional monarchy in England. A significant turning point in English history was the monarchy's restoration following the English Civil War. It ended the Commonwealth's experiment and prepared the path for the creation of a constitutional monarchy. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Join us next time for more informative content from the political classroom.